Hello everyone, it's Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video for you all. Today I will be doing a half up, half down ponytail on my sister today. You all know I only do my sister's and my own hair. I'm just sewing down her back of her hair and preparing to do a sew-in for the back part of her hair. I'm also using a net just so I can make sure that I am able to place the tracks anywhere I want to around the back side of her head. And I am going to begin to sew in her bundles once I'm done with that. So next I'm going to go in with my Tresemme heat protectant. I sprayed that all over her hair, and I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just start to blow dry her hair. After that, I'm going to take my Babyliss flat iron and my FHI small flat iron. I'm using the small one just to make sure I can get close up on the roots, to make sure I get that little kinky stuff straight, honey. And then I'm going to take my Babyliss flat iron, and then I'm just going to chase it with my tension brush. Everybody always asks me about my tension brush. I get my tension brush from Amazon. I think I've also seen them in the beauty supply stores. You just have to go to one of those beauty supply stores that are really good, that have everything. I'm sure they'll have it, but definitely Amazon has the tension brush. So because we were in a rush, I didn't get to record the entire thing of doing her top half of her hair, but I definitely will show you all in another video coming up. But I did take my Care wax stick to smooth down her hair before I did place the Got To Be spray. I do not use the yellow spray. I use the pink and purple. I'll have to show you all in another video the kind of spray that I use. I don't use the yellow spray though, because I feel like it leaves a residue, especially on my sister hair that I'm doing right now. Our hair flakes up really bad, so product usually just sits on top of our hair, so I have to use something a little bit with a softer hold so that one doesn't flake up on us. So I like that one better, but I didn't get a chance to let you all see how I mold that down. But like I said before, I will show you all in another video. So next, after that, I'm just going to take my wand curler that I got from Sally's, and I'm just going to create her some loose big wand curls. And then I'm just going to wand curl her top half as well as her bottom half. So once I was done, I went in to take off the styling strip, and because she had slept on her hair the previous night before, I went in with some more edge control just to re-smooth her edges, just for the sake of the video, because otherwise I really wouldn't care. I went in to re-smooth her edges, and then after that I took some heat protecting spray, but I like it better as like a shine spray. I don't really use it as a heat protecting spray. Then I went in with some more of that shining spray because I like for their hair to be super shiny with their ponies. I then took my wide tooth comb and I combed out her wand curls just because I like for their hair to look like a beach wavy loose curl type of look. And after that, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Her ponytail came out really nice. Her forehead was on swole, but that ponytail was on goals. I'm just playing, y'all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow your girl on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time in the next video.